Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open a Kia Rio key fob. First, find the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly to release the emergency key blade. Once released, carefully pull the emergency key blade completely out of the fob. This step reveals the small slot you'll use to pry open the casing, making the next steps much easier to perform. Now that the emergency key is out, locate the small slot where it was housed. Insert a small, flathead screwdriver or a prying tool into this slot. With a gentle but firm twist, carefully pry the two halves of the key fob apart. You should hear a slight click as the casing separates. Take your time to avoid damaging the internal components. With the key fob open, you will see the small coin cell battery. Before removing it, pay close attention to its orientation, noting which side faces up. Gently pry out the old battery. Most Kia Rio fobs use a CR2032 battery. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards for proper function. To reassemble your key fob, carefully align the two halves of the casing. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Finally, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until it locks firmly into position. Test your key fob to ensure it functions correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.